addition to the common fields, each reward has some settings unique to its type. For example, for promo code rewards, you will have to also fill in the promo code, which is the static code that will get delivered to the user. Also, the amount of available rewards for your users. This is a total redemption cap, so you don't overdistribute your rewards. And you will have to decide if this is a one-time reward or not. Toggle this on if each user should only be able to redeem once. For automatic rewards, you'll also have similar fields, the amount of rewards per user and the amount of available rewards for all of your users. Because the automatic rewards are delivered without the manual intervention, make sure to always have these settings set up. Otherwise, you can overdistribute and run over your budget. For the gift cards reward, there are some other setups required, so we won't go into details in this video. We'll have an entire video dedicated to gift cards, so stay tuned.